Have you ever wanted to buy stocks but didn't know where to start? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step breakdown on how to invest with Robinhood. I'll even show you how to get your first stock for free. You heard me right, your first stock for free, which could be valued up to $500. So stick around till the end for how to take advantage of that. Hi, I'm Jeremy Zargami. Today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step on how to start your stock investing journey. If you haven't already, please click and make that thumbs up button turn blue. It greatly helps out this video for the YouTube algorithm. And please consider hitting that subscribe button if you would like the latest updates and my thoughts on investing in real estate, stocks, and personal finances. Let's get into it. First step is downloading the app. For a shortcut to the app, I'm going to put a link below, so click on that link and it'll take you right to where you need to go to download it. Using that link down below will get you your first stock for free, so be sure to use that link and then follow the rest of the steps in this video so you can claim that free stock worth up to $500. It's free money just for signing up. How cool is that? Think about that. Robinhood is paying you to start your stock investing career, so you're already starting in the positive. Next, after clicking that link below and downloading the app, it's going to ask you to put in your email address and create a password. Next, type in your legal name, your phone number, and your date of birth. Then it's going to ask for your residential address. So just put all the information in. Next, they're going to ask for your social security number, which don't be alarmed by this. They're just doing it for tax purposes. It's completely safe. So go ahead and enter your social security number. The next question they're going to ask is, are you employed? So just put in your employer information in there. If you're self-employed, just put self-employed. If you have a W-2, just put your company's name. Next, review your application. So this is going to be all the fine print. If you're super analytical, you can read through all this little stuff, but if you are like most people, just scroll through to the bottom and click submit application. Next, you're going to fund your account. So this is when it starts getting fun. So we're going to put in some money that you're going to start using to buy stocks. And don't be worried, your money is safe in this account. It's guaranteed up to $500,000 by the SIPC. So if you have less than $500,000 in that account, it's completely covered. If anything happens to it, you'll be completely reimbursed, but trust me, it's safe in there. So fund your account with however much money you feel comfortable with. You can put it as little as $1 in there. You can always transfer it back into your bank account. Now you're gonna link your bank account. So you're gonna choose which bank you bank with, and then you're gonna log in, and you're gonna transfer however much money you feel comfortable with over into the Robinhood app. Up to $1,000 is gonna be available right away. So if you deposit $2,000, $1,000 of it will be available right away to use to invest, and then the other $1,000 will be deposited in the next 4 to 5 days. If you don't have that much money to invest, don't worry. You can get started with as little as $1 with using the fractional shares tool with Robinhood. Next, you're going to turn on smart notifications. I'm normally not the kind of person that likes notifications from any kind of app, but for this one it's important because it's going to let you know when you have bank transfers going through. It's going to let you know when you have dividends coming in, and just other important updates with any stocks that are on your watch list. So definitely turn on those smart notifications. Next is the fun part. Claim that free stock, okay? So you're gonna see a big green button that says claim free stock. Click on it. You get the option to choose between 3 mystery stocks. So you'll click on one and then you'll do like a scratcher, like that'll have you swipe your finger over it until it goes away, until it'll reveal what the free stock is. Let me know below which stock you get. I'm super excited to see if anyone gets the one valued up to $500. We'll see if anyone can get it. I think Netflix is around like $500 right now. I wonder if anyone will get Netflix stock. I said that people have like a chance to get like Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, any of those stocks. So please comment below which stock you get, and we'll see if anyone gets one of the big ones. And there you go. Just like that, you're a stock owner and soon to be stock investor. Congratulations! By taking these steps, you have just separated yourself from the average person who doesn't take the time or is too scared to invest their money. Your future self is going to thank you so much. I hope this video helps you. If you got value from it, please click that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And of course, click subscribe, click that notification bell down below so you can get more videos like this. Again, don't forget to click that link below to get your free stock when signing up with Robinhood valued up to $500. Thank you all for watching, and God bless.